Hey, I'm Dr. Gregg, and today what I'm going to go over with you is the safe, non-surgical, non-medicinal way that we help people get better night's sleep, more restful night's sleep, and heal and feel better all throughout the day. So I'm a chiropractor, and I focus on posture and function. And as a part of that, what I've been seeing over the last 2 years is that as we've worked with our patients on helping to correct their posture and their spine, we wind up seeing that they're sleeping better. Even in some of the work that we do, we wind up finding that they actually fall asleep. Now, the reasons that that happens is that as we restore the proper position of your neck, and there should be from the side a curve like this, it takes tension off the spinal cord so that those nerves in the base of your brainstem that control what's called the reticular activating center and has a lot of impact on sleep get relaxed. They get depressurized. So here in our office, we use a really unique and different method to wind up decompressing those nerves, allowing the spinal cord to relax. It involves gentle adjustments where we may use our hands, we may use tools, or we may use a table to go up and down to start restoring that curve. It involves unique exercises to wind up repositioning your spine in the right position. And then it involves a unique method of spinal remodeling that helps your spine to go to that natural position and stay there for years. The cool thing is, how do we know that? Well, there's been 7 studies on it to show that we can change the position of the spine and make sure that it stays for a long, long time. Now, if you or someone you know is having problems with sleep and has tried things at home, like they've changed their bed out, like they've wound up changing the process before they go to bed, or they've even tried medication or nutrients and supplements, but still aren't getting good restful night's sleep. Let's connect. See if there may be a natural way to help your body reconnect so that you can get a more restful night's sleep, an easier night's sleep, and stay asleep longer. Now, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And especially if you know someone who has problems with sleep, let's go ahead and share this with them so we can help them be as great as they can. Once again, I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin with Align Wellness Center, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.